Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a Trendsend to unbox. Trendsend comes really quick. I only ordered it last Thursday and it arrived yesterday, which was Monday. And I asked for something red for Valentine's Day, and I also said I'd like to add some green to my closet. So we'll see what they sent. Oliver's here helping me until he gets bored and realizes it's not a bark box. They sent a little envelope of information. Trendsend is a styling service from the Evereve store. I do not have an Evereve store close by me, but they choose items from their inventory. They just changed recently so that there's a $20 styling fee, but it is applied to anything that you purchase from the box. And if you keep 4 items, you get a 10% discount, which I don't think that's really going to encourage me to keep more items like the 25% that Stitch Fix gives you. You know, sometimes that just makes sense to keep more, but 10% I don't think will make that much of a difference. Okay, so I got 3 outfits. Oliver has my envelope. So here's the first one. Looks like there might be some jeans in there. Let's see. Oh, really cute. Oh, there's some olive level 99 cargo pants. They look way too little. There is no, what size are these? Size 26. I have never worn a 26. And those do not look like they run big. I normally wear a 27. So, okay. And, oh, that's a cute little tank. That would be cute under a cardigan. It's by Peyton, Jensen, size small. Just a little white and black or kind of gray polka dot cardigan. It's cute. Oh, I thought it was jeans. It looks like it's a denim jacket cut from the cloth. Size small, $89 on the tag here. Well, that's cute. I like the wash. It's very stretchy too. Okay. Okay, this is outfit 2, something red. Let's see. Some joy. Oh, this was on my wish list. It's a really cute heart necklace. That'll be really cute for Valentine's Day. Here's a better look. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay. This is a dress. That's really cute. Now that is a red leopard print. I don't have any leopard at all. I normally don't wear it, but I think that's cute. I especially like it when it's kind of an unexpected color like the red. That's really cute. It's a wrap dress with these fun sleeves. I like that. Oh, there's 2 more bundles. So this is number 3. Okay, yeah, this is outfit 3. This is a Peyton Jenson blazer in sort of a brick color. I think this is, yeah, this is similar to one that I got from them in like a black or a charcoal gray before that I really liked, but I didn't keep it because it was an extra small. Okay, good. This is a small. That's cute. Oh, okay, outfit 3 is just the blazer, okay. So there's one more. Or is there? No. Okay. It's just wrapped separately. There's 2 more things in it. Outfit 3. Well, that's cute. It's like gray and white striped top. I like that. It's got a V-neck and it's not knit, it's like a poplin. Oh, and this is like an eyelet. That's really cute. Oh, it has a little knot in the front by Sanctuary, size small. That is cute. Okay. All right, I will try everything on and I'll let you know what the prices are. Okay, I'm back with the try on. It's actually the next day, It was really dark and rainy yesterday and the light was terrible, so I decided just to wait. And now it's sunny. And I'm glad I did wait because I told you yesterday that these dots were either black or charcoal. And now that it's sunny and light outside, they're actually olive green. So I don't know if you can tell. So they look really cute with these green cargo pants. Let me tell you what the prices are. The pants are by Level 99. They're the Brooklyn Sateen Cargo in cedar, size 26, $125. So they're expensive. I was surprised I could actually zip them, but they are tight. They're tighter than I would like, and they look tight too. They're like fitted all the way down. They are stretchy, but I do think I would size up if I kept them. I'm not sure, but I'm not going to keep them anyway. They're $125. They're cute pants. They do look cute with the green polka dot shirt, which is by Peyton Jensen. I think that's a Evereve brand. It's called the Mila Dot Tank, and it is $48. And it is really cute. It's just like a little tank, would be cute for summer. And I like it even more now that I realize the dots are green, which in the note, the stylist said it would make a great St. Patrick's Day outfit. And I was curious about that yesterday because, I mean, it does have olive green pants, but now I understand what she meant. And the last thing, oh, I love it. It is a cut from the Kloth denim jacket. It's $89. It is, let's see, it's the Amelia denim jacket, and it's a size small. The color is called Easygoing. It's just the perfect fit. It's very stretchy. It's big enough in the shoulders. I like the way it's cropped and kind of fitted so that it would look cute with a dress. Looks cute with jeans. Definitely considering keeping this. I like the tank too, but I'm not sure if I need that. So that is the first outfit. Okay, this is the second outfit. This dress and the cute necklace, but unfortunately the necklace is defective and I cannot get the clasp open. It doesn't move. I can't get it undone, so I can't try it on. The dress, I don't feel comfortable in it. It's lower cut than I would like. I like the styling of it. I love the sleeves. It's a little short. Maybe it would be okay, but I can't. I don't really like the look of putting a camisole under a dress like this. It's just too low cut. So the dress is a no, and it's by Sanctuary, and it is $79.99. It's called the Girl on Fire wrap dress in red leopard, size small. So it's nice except for the neckline. Okay, the next outfit is this little blazer by Peyton Jensen. It's called the Harper Blazer, and it's regular $128. It says on sale for $99.99. Although I noticed on their website they're having a sale for the next few days, so it's actually $79.99. And I do like it. It's very stretchy. It fits better than the one they sent me before. And the top is by Cloth and Stone. It's $58. It's not on sale. It's called the Striped Woven Tee in white and gray. And I do like it, but I don't think it's worth $58. Let me show you the top. It's a cute top. It fits nice. I like the vertical stripes and the V-neck. It's comfortable, but not $58 worth, I don't think. Okay, I just have one more item to show you. It's by Sanctuary, the Hayden Eyelet tee, size small, $29.99. So that's a good price. I love these sleeves. Is that called a flutter sleeve, I think? I love the eyelet. I'm ready for spring, so this would be cute. I'm just not sure about this tie. It's kind of awkward. What do y'all think? So, I don't know, I might could tuck it in. I never wear my shirts tucked in though. So, I'll have to think about that. If it was just a regular bottom, it would be a definite yes. Because I love the sleeves, I like the neckline. So, what do y'all think? Okay, and for a recap, go over everything and what I'm going to keep. This denim jacket is amazing. Fits perfectly. I love it. I really want to keep this. Spy cut from the Kloth was $89. These level 99 cargo pants, $125. That's a no. I don't need them. This cute little top by Peyton Jensen. It's $48. It's kind of a lot for a tank. I do like it, especially the green dots. So it's a maybe. The dress, I think it was on sale for $79.99 by Sanctuary. That's a no. The necklace is $28 and that's a no, it's defective. It is cute though. Now this I think is on sale for $79.99. It's a Peyton Jensen blazer. If it was the beginning, like in fall, I would keep it, but you know, it's about to get really warm where I live. So I'm not going to be wearing something like this again until the fall. So I think that's a no. This is cute. It's by Kloth and Stone, but it's $58 and I don't think it's worth it. And then this, I think it's on sale for like $28 by Sanctuary. It's really cute. I'm still considering it. I just have to decide if this little tie front bothers me. So that is it for my Trendsend. If I were going to keep 4 pieces, I could get 10% off. Doesn't look like that's going to happen. I might just keep this jacket and I'll get the $20 styling fee off of this jacket. I do have a denim jacket that I like okay, but it's not as stretchy and nice as this one. So I might go ahead and invest in a nicer. If you want to try Trendsend for yourself, I'll have a link in the description box below, and I'll also list out all of the clothing, their names and their prices. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe below if you want to see more.